Sustainable Nutrition by Health is for Life. 9. Nutrition and Truth. Welcome to Health is for Life, where we empower you to make informed choices about your health and well-being. Today, we're taking a closer look at the often confusing world of food labeling and information. From deciphering ingredient lists to understanding nutrition facts, we're here to demystify the process and help you make informed decisions about the food you eat. Join us as we explore the world of food information and labeling. The field of nutrition is constantly changing, and recent developments have led to the implementation of stricter regulations aimed at improving the healthfulness of food. Around the world, mandatory and voluntary nutrition labeling, taxes on sugar-sweetened drinks, and restrictions on advertising for foods high in sugar, salt, and saturated fat are becoming more common. The UK, Brazil, Mexico, and Singapore are some of the countries implementing new restrictions on food and beverage labeling and marketing. In addition, the European Union plans to introduce a mandatory front-of-pack nutrition label, and further taxes and reformulation targets are expected to be introduced at the national level in several European countries. The concept of ultra-processed foods, UPFs, is also a focus of governments when evaluating and proposing nutrition policies. While the consumption of UPFs has been associated with poorer health outcomes, they also play a critical role in the sustainable food supply due to their long shelf life. Nutrition and Truth. 3 key facts. Governments around the world are becoming more proactive in promoting healthier food options, which is leading to increased efforts to improve the nutritional value of foods and drinks. The growing health consciousness of consumers is driving the increase in front-of-pack signposting, making it easier for individuals to make healthier choices. To remain competitive in a global market, food companies will need to find innovative ways to reduce the levels of salt, sugar, and saturated fat in their products while still maintaining taste and shelf life. This presents a major challenge for the industry. According to Patty O'Keefe, a nutrition scientist at Kerry, changes in nutrition and labeling legislation are becoming more widespread, which is driving manufacturers to improve the nutritional value of their products. Consumers are also becoming more health conscious, and companies are using front-of-pack signposting to help customers make healthier choices. Kieran Ford, professor of sensory science and eating behavior at Wageningen University and Research, highlights the importance of considering the sensory properties of food in product reformulation efforts. Simply reducing the levels of salt, sugar, and fat may not be enough to encourage healthier eating habits, and it's essential to consider how sensory cues can be enhanced to promote healthier eating behavior while still maintaining the taste and enjoyment of food. Thank you for joining us on Health is for Life. We hope you found today's episode informative and inspiring, and that you'll come back soon to continue your journey towards a healthier, happier life. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss a chance to improve your health and well-being. Take care of yourself, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.